Okay, year 11, this is your mock feedback. I'm going to go through the paper question by question to help you guys out. So let's have a look at question number 1. So, a school's organising a sports day. Below is a draft of a poster using desktop publishing software. Great. Look at that amazing poster. Now, look at the question. It says give 2, so that's 2, 1, 2, extra items of data that could be added to this poster. Data. So not looking at features like font styles or borders. It's saying data. Well done to those of you who read that. So you could answer, what doesn't it have on this poster to help advertise the event? It doesn't have a start and finish time can be added. What else could be added? You could have the date of the event. You could have the postcode of the event, the name of the school. Any of that is fine. That's data which could be added. Not features, not formatting features, data. Now look at the second question. Other than the formatting features shown above. Give 4 different formatting features that could be used to improve this poster. So if you mention border, no, because it's already got a border on it. What are you going to do that for? Come on guys, loads of different things you could talk about. So let's have a look at what you could actually say. So here's what I would have done. I would have done font style changes. I would have done aligned text to center. Another thing I would have done, you could have a watermark, you could have word art, you could have bullet points, you could type, what other things can you have in desktop publisher? Let's have a look. Microsoft Publisher. Boom, 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 boom. Text boxes, tables, fill colors, auto shapes. So many to pick from, folks. Easy question, easy 4 marks. Okay. Oh my. Ladies and gentlemen, tick the correct box to show the technique used, which automatically puts names and addresses into a letter. Okay, let's get things straight. A signature is literally a signature. If I don't know, let's open up Google for a minute. And I did a letter with a signature. That at the bottom is a signature. So, going back to the question, does a signature automatically put names and addresses into a letter? No. So folks, delete that. It ain't going to be that. Does a table, you should know what a table is, rows and columns, does that automatically put pens, names and addresses into a letter? No. Now you've got mail merge. Even if you didn't know what a mail merge was, it's the obvious choice. It's not a signature, it's not a table, it's mail merge. And what a mail merge does, it's dead easy. It automatically, from a database or a spreadsheet, so let's say we've got Excel, and we've got a list of people's names. So Joe Smith, Chris Smith, Dominic Smith, Harry Smith, Lucy Smith, and let's get their address. 1, 2, 3, 4 Happy Land, 1, 2, 3, 4 Sad Land, 1, 2, 3, 4 Chocolate Land, 1, 2, 3, 4 Rohana Land, 1, 2, 3, 4 Chicken Land. It'll automatically, on a mail merge, put this data onto the letter for you, so you don't actually for every letter need to put their address and their name. It automatically does it. That's what a mail merge does. If you don't know how to do one, YouTube it. Important. Okay. Spell checker, thesaurus. Dead easy. Spell checker is used, ladies and gentlemen, recognize spelling mistakes and allows for autocorrect. Thesaurus, easy, is used to find alternative words for the words you have used. Boom. Going back to the sports day scenario, a teacher creates a presentation to advertise the sports day event. Tick the correct boxes below to show two features that allow navigation around the presentation. Does a master page allow you to move from one slide to another? No. A master page is used to help you lay out a slide. Do hyperlinks allow you to move from one thing to another? Yes. Hyperlinks are used to move from one web page to another or one slide to another. Look, PowerPoint. Let's have two slides. Chicken. Donkey. Not donkey. Now, let's turn this into a hyperlink. And we want to place in this document to donkey. So if I view this now, if I click on chicken, it takes me to the next slide, but you can't see the word donkey, so let's move it down. Chicken, donkey. That's a hyperlink. That allows you to navigate through a presentation. Do animations allow you to move from one slide to another? No. Now, what's a hotspot? Yes, folks, a hotspot is an image with a link on it. So if I got an image right now and made it into a link, and if I ran this now, let's see what happens. If I click on the image, that's a hotspot. It links to another slide or website, another web page. So that's good. Slide numbers. Folks, a slide number, dead easy. At the bottom of every PowerPoint slide, you can put a slide number there automatically. So literally, it will have, on this one I can't be bothered to set it up, but like slide 5. That is a slide number. It does not allow you to link to different PowerPoint slides. So, slide numbers is not the answer. That leaves you with hyperlinks and hotspots.
Cool. That's not.
Cheers, Christian. Okay. I don't know why this question's been crossed off. Here we go. Other than the features stated above, give two features of presentation software that could be made easier for students with disabilities to view and understand the presentation. So guys, when you say have games doesn't make it easier. Now my whole video's just been interrupted by random people coming in and talking. We're recording. So, disabilities is not about being bored, it's not about playing with games, it's not about people asking me if I'm okay when I'm recording videos. Disabilities is literally like being blind or having no arms or having no tongue. I don't know. So, what could you use two features on your presentation software to make it easier for students with disabilities to view and understand? Well, you could have audio playing. You could have, for people with visual disabilities, you could have subtitles. You could have this thing, enlarged font for people with visual impairment. You could have suitable color scheme, folks, for people with visual impairments. My grandfather's colorblind, so certain colors don't go well with him. Dyslexic people don't like backgrounds which are white. Other things, pop-up messages. You can mention any of those things, folks. Now, the next question. Give one reason why you would compress an image or video used in the presentation. This was answered really well. You could have mentioned to reduce the file size, to reduce the upload download times. You could have said faster to load. You could have said more images, videos could be used on the presentation. Is that, from my class, this is answered really well. I don't know about Mr. Scott's class because I haven't seen that paper yet. But for my group, well done. Compressing, you nailed it. Good job. Okay, end of question 1.